Hey folks, Rick Mathis, Clinic Director at Align Pain Solutions. Today I want to talk about, or show you rather, a technique for reseating your talus. What the heck is your talus and why would you want to reseat it? So the talus is also known as your ankle bone. And it's an interesting bone because to my knowledge, it's the only bone in the body that doesn't have any direct muscular attachments. Sits right on top of the heel bone in your ankle and connects, creates a joint between it and the tibia and the fibula above it. So why is the position of the talus important? Well, because it doesn't have any direct muscular attachments, we can't use muscle engagement to reposition it. So if it has drifted out of position, and usually if it does, what it does is it shifts forward. That will limit your ability to do something called dorsiflect. So that is when your knee moves over the ankle and that angle closes off. That is a really important biomechanical function that we need during gait. We need to do squats. We need to get in and out of the car properly. Just to walk properly, you need to be getting sufficient dorsiflexion. So for those who think their talus may be out of position, here's a way I learned to put it back from the terrific ART practitioner, Dr. Chris Sellers at Performance Wellness here in Austin. What you're going to need is a door, a chair, and something like a yoga strap, something that's not elastic. You're going to need a loop on one end and a knot on the other. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this knot on the other side of the door. Yeah. There we go. Then you're going to put that strap around the front of the ankle. You need a chair because you want the line of pull being both back and down. Walk that foot as far forward as you can so that strap is tensioned, and then you're going to keep the heel down and you're going to actively dorsiflect, and you're going to move the knee over the foot and ankle and allow that strap to pull back and down on the talus. I've seen people where they'll hold it for a minute, or maybe they'll do reps like that. I like to do maybe 10 or 15 repetitions and then I'll hold it for a minute. So if you think your talus may be a little out of position, give that a try. I hope it helps.